Hey, what's up YouTube? I've got another knife review for you. The brand here is Eafengrow, known as a very, well, as a budget brand with some value to offer. But I think they've gone to the next level with this knife. Check this out. This is the Eafengrow EF-141. Okay, here is a closer look at the Eafengrow knife for you. Nice micarta handle scales, textured. It's a true full tang. Look how thick that stock is. It's got a lanyard hole there, and it's got a little bit of an extended tang with a point there. You can smash things with that. It's got an extra wide blade of AUS 10 steel. I have to say, man, I am very impressed with this design. I own several Eafengrow knives, but I think they've kind of reached a new level as far as just quality of design and manufacture with this thing. This thing is a beast. I mean, I was surprised when I saw this. Now the blade length on this by my measure is 7 1/4 inches. And as you can see, it does have a secondary grind on the tip. Okay, my people, so this is a notch stick. I've been testing knives on this, and now it's time to chop a notch with this. All right. Oh yeah, I mean that was quick. Let's let's finish it off a little. There you go, another notch. Okay, so you saw what we did there. We quickly just chopped yet another notch into the notch stick, right? So this has some good weight to it because it's thick, it's extra wide. This has some good weight to it, so you actually can get some good chops with it. You can quickly chop a notch into a branch, or if you just wanted to go all the way through, this would quickly chop this branch in half if you had to. Now you could strike a fire steel with this. It's a little smooth there, but actually if you used those big jimps there, those are actually rough. So this could strike a fire steel if it came to that, just so you know. Here it is on a little piece of wood. I'll make short work of that. So I hope you're all doing well these days. I'm doing pretty good, as well as can be expected in these times, which are undoubtedly unprecedented and not always in a good way. You could sharpen a pencil with this. A little fine work. They put a nice edge on this for such a beast knife. They put a very nice edge on this sucker. I like. Okay, doing a little splitting with this knife. Does well. There you go. Another piece. Yeah, I mean, it's such a wide blade. That's good for this task. And it's tough. Tough like me. Tough like you. Ha, there you go. So as you could predict, a thick, tough, heavy knife like that, I don't know, particularly good at this task. So how's the edge after that? It's still fine. I don't know if you could see, but trust me, you know, there's no damage to the edge just from a little bit of splitting. Oh, there you go. Yeah, now, I mean, any sharp knife can do that, but this thing is very thick. right? So to do that with a thick knife, you know, that's easy with like a Delica, but that's actually a little bit impressive that they put such a nice edge on this beast of a knife. Yep. All right, here it is on some bike tire tubing. There you go. Here it is on a seatbelt type strap. There you go. Here's a quick look at the sheath. So it's a molded sheath. It's got these eyelets here, and it's got kind of like a tech lock, right? So you push that in, and if you push that in, you can then open this, right? But if you want to lock it, you push that, you slide that forward. So when you slide that forward, now this is locked. It won't open, all right? So it's kind of like a tech lock. It does hold it in. There's a place to push off of. All right, so that's the sheath. You know, this looks like a knife that could be based on a much more expensive knife. It also reminds me of the LENGREN knives, which in turn are based on Miller Brothers knives. So yeah, I don't know if EF came up with this by themselves or what, but whoever designed this originally, you rock. Okay, final thoughts on this Eafengrow knife. What's the use of this knife? You know, end of the world knife. Or if you just need something that will not break, survival knife, I don't know, military knife. Yeah, a lot of uses for this knife. Also, just kind of coolness factor, look at that. You know, Eafengrow actually has a lot of fans because they do give good value with a lot of their models, a good budget brand, but this is a new level. This knife is a new level for this brand. I hope they keep going in this direction. I was like, wow, I needed this, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing it. I'm pleased with it. It's got some good weight for chopping. Now, not everybody needs, like, you know, an end of the world knife. Not everybody needs it. Yeah, I hope this is going to be a whole line from Eafengrow. But I'll include a link below the video if you want to pick one up. And I hope it goes on sale. But I just had to have it immediately. Alright, so if you like stuff like this, be sure to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed seeing this. I'm out.